My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And if you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that thumbs up or thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, and we invite it all, Miss Thing. Okay, let's get into this video, Miss Thing. How are you doing? Hi. Today, guys, I will be doing a review on a ring light sent to me by the Mount Dog service team, guys. So let's get right into this video. I will be doing the unboxing on video. So let's see what we got here. So this is the box that it came. This box came inside another box, but the other box has my address, so I didn't want to have that on camera. So let's see what we got here. I will be sure to link this in my bio, okay? If any of you guys are interested, I will put the price of the item right here on the screen. Now, as most of you know, I did a review on a bigger ring light, more expensive. This is a cheaper option. So if this ring light is bombdiggity.com, I will highly recommend because it's a more affordable price. Okay, so here is the bag. It says Mount Dog. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in, and I'm guessing, yeah, this is the tripod right here. So before we get into the tripod, let's see what goodies are in this bag. Now, I saw that it came with a couple of accessories, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we have the ring lights right here. Hold it. And I like, okay, for starters, I like that this is adjustable. So you can turn the ring light down and up. So that is pretty awesome. Oh, also has a dimmer switch. Ooh, okay. A dimmer switch, and the light changes. So you can have cool light, warm light, and I believe bright lighting. We will check that out. We will go more in depth with that. Oh my God, guys. Okay, I'm so excited. I love getting new filming equipment. It is so bomb. It also comes with a user manual. There's the user manual for those of you who want to see it. Now let's see here. Ooh, it comes with a Bluetooth remote. Yes, I need one of these too. Okay, so I see it scanning. You can see it scanning there. And then we have it on and an off button. Okay, I'm gonna leave it off for now. Oh, we have, oh, this is dope. And this feels really good quality, this metal. I want you guys to hear it. You hear that? That's not no flimsy plastic, guys. That's like metal, really, really metal. So it has like this ball in the back, which allows you to just rotate. And then this metal piece, you actually can bend at your own will and where you want it. Now this, I believe, screws into here. You just twist it in and screw it. Now what's also cool, and I just noticed, guys, is you can also screw it into the top. So I don't know if you can see that. There's a screw on top and a screw on the bottom. So if you want to go at a different angle, you can screw it at the top. Different angle, you can screw it at the bottom. We also have some slide-ins here. So you can use other pieces if you have that attachment, and you could just use it with this ring light. This is so freaking cool. It comes with a free gift. You have to scan a card. Oh, you choose one you like. Oh, this is so cool. Enter the web link below and tell us how we did. Oh, they offered me a free gift. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Mount Dog service team. Okay, now here goes the outlet plug. Okay, and this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's pretty nice. Not bad, not bad. Not too shabby, honey, not too shabby. I really like this. I like the little bag because like I like to travel with my stuff. Like I was thinking about doing like a get ready with me and going to see all my aunts and all my cousins and doing a video with them individually and just kind of do like a whole mashup video. Or I could just do separate videos, you know, just visiting them all because we're going through such hard times and, you know, you never know. You never know. And I just want to make sure that I have a connection and that they all know individually how much I love them. Okay? Okay, now let's open the tripod. Now this is a tri-fold tripod, guys. It came nicely packaged in bubble wrap, which I love. That is so awesome. And look at how tiny. Isn't this cool? Like for like packing purposes. Guys, this video is not sponsored. These items were sent to me to give my opinion, my honest opinion, and I will always keep my opinions honest and my reviews honest with you guys. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is it right here. I'm gonna move back. So, okay. So now we turn this puppy like this. Okay. Turn it like this. Ooh, sis. Okay, so, okay. So this is how it looks on the bottom. So now I'm gonna put it on the floor. And then we have these pieces here, which you turn. Let me come a little closer. And you kind of extend it and then you tighten it. And then you just go ahead and do that to the other ones and you tighten it. Okay, and now I have this guy right here, but I'm gonna lower this a little because I really want you guys to get the view. And then it has like a cap here for the ring light. So now we are going to put the ring light on. Okay, first I'm going to tighten the neck. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it, Miss Thing. And so that's the neck, okay? The neck. Okay, now we're just gonna screw this bad boy in. And what I like is that this ring light is very light. So if you're carrying this, like if you do TikTok videos or if you do lives outside of your home or your studio, this would be ideal. That's what I'm thinking about using it for when I go to visit my aunts and my cousins. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Let's bring it down. Let me plug this bad boy in. Okay, we are plugged in. So now we are going to go to the remote. I don't want to blind you guys, but I want you guys to be in frame so you can see the ring light. Now I do have lights back here and I do have a chandelier light up here. So we're gonna see the light with the lights on and then we'll check it out with the lights off. I will also take some pictures with the remote and I will post them on here. So first we have this power button. Ooh, honey, 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 honey. I feel sexy, honey. Ooh, Miss Ding. As you can see, it's reflecting off my chandelier light on top. But as you can see, that brightness is like serious. Okay, now we have the warm light. Ooh, with this makeup look, Miss Ding. James Charles, who horny? No, I'm kidding. You can't say nothing nowadays on social media. Everybody goes crazy. Okay, next. This is the white light. Okay. Cool light, warm light, bright white daytime light. I would say this one is correct. Correcto. Okay, guys. And then we have the dimmer, which I am dimming down. Okay, that's all the way down. This is off, on, and now we're going to dim up. Now that gets really, really bright, guys. This is a cool ring light, guys. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the extension piece. Ooh, hold it. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And then I'm going to adjust it how I would want my phone adjusted. Okay, I'm just gonna tighten everything up. Okay. And also there's a ball back here. There's like a thing where you can tighten this so this doesn't move. You can loosen it and then the head moves, as if you can see that. So I know that's where I want it, so I'm gonna just tighten it so it doesn't move. Okay guys, now let's move you guys from my tripod to here, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm going to turn off my chandelier. Okay, and now I'm going to turn off my vanity. And we still have some nice lighting, guys. So let me show you with it off. Okay, this is with the light off. This is with it on daylight. Now let's try cool light, warm light. Ooh, Miss Thing, you see? Ooh, is this how those Instagram girls be getting those pictures of their highlighter popping, Miss Thing? I think it is. Ooh, with the warm light. Ooh, sis. Dang, I'm living right now. This is bomb. I'm sorry, guys. This is bomb. I am loving this ring light. I will be taking this thing with me everywhere. This is so awesome. Okay, now let's dim it down. That's so pretty right there. Ooh, it's like you can really control the light setting. So this is bringing the light back up little by little. Oh my God, for like glitter eyeshadow looks, I see it, Miss Thing. My God, I feel like dancing, dancing.
Ooh, I feel like dancing, dancing. Oh my.
Hi guys, I am loving this light, guys. Okay, so now I am going to turn on my vanity lights. Oh no, that's my chandelier. Now I'm gonna turn on my vanity lights. Okay, guys. Now, as far as the remote, I'm gonna have to go off camera because I do record with my iPhone, so I don't have another camera where I can record. But what I will take some pictures with it, and I will be right back and let you guys know how good this worked. And I will post the pictures so you can see them. Okay, awesome. So this controller works really well. I will post some photos here. So this is the photo with the blue lights. Then we have the photo with the warm lights. And then the daylight. So which one is your favorite? I love the warm lights. That is my favorite one. And right now I have all my lights off. I am just recording with this ring light, and I just pressed because it has an Android and for iOS button on top. So I press this one and it also starts recording as well, which is awesome. Yes, baby. Yeah. So guys, I am going to turn my vanity light on this time and not my chandelier. I'm going to show you guys the other tripod they sent me. Which this tripod is like, I mean, excellent quality. So I'm so happy that they sent this. And again, it was because my tripod, the tripod that came, I guess got ruined in shipping. And you know, they don't really have control over that. It's like, it sucks that FedEx, UPS, and like other handlers, they just kind of, you know, manhandle your stuff. And this tripod is pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna back up and show you guys. It's just a regular schmegular tripod, but it is very sturdy and it is very nice. So I want to say thank you to the Mount Dog service team. You guys have excellent customer service. It was great working with you guys. Thank you so much for this bomb ring light. I will be using it all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you need a ring light and you're looking for an affordable ring light to do your TikToks, to do your YouTubes, or to just take pictures, this is it, guys. This is literally it. My other ring light, I paid almost, I think like 300 or 300 and something for, and this is like less than half the price of that. So, and it works. You guys see for yourself. It works, Miss Sting. It works. So, have nothing but good things to say about this ring light. I love it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.